बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। जी, मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे सितंबर 22 2024 के अखबार में। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड एनवायरमेंटल कोऑर्डिनेशन, LG&RD Complex G-G Ground -5/2 Islamabad. Situation vacant. Ministry of Climate Change and Environmental Coordination, Islamabad offers challenging opportunities for employment of the member adaptation in Pakistan Climate Change Authority, a body corporate working under the administrative control of Ministry of Climate Change and Environmental Coordination, Islamabad, in line with Section 6(1) of the Pakistan Climate Change Act 2017. Experience in relevant fields is mandatory. Serial number 1, post member adaptation scale MP1, number of post 1. क्वालिफ़िकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस, द मेंबर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ एडेप्टेशन शैल बी साइंटिस्ट, अकेडमिशियन, प्रोफेशनल, सर्विंग और रिटायर्ड गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट और अदर टेक्नोक्रेट विद एट लीस्ट 15 years एक्सपीरियंस इन फील्ड्स related to climate change and the environment with a distinguished service record. Qualification, PhD or master's degree in the fields related to climate change and environment. Max age limit in years, maximum 62 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है, to be calculated and on the closing date of submission of applications ब्रैकेट close. Terms and conditions, disqualification, no person shall be eligible for or hold appointment as member ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ adaptation who is or has been dismissed or removed or compulsorily retired from service as a consequence of disciplinary proceedings. B is or has been by a court of competent jurisdiction convicted for an offence involving moral turpitude or corruption. C, either at the time of appointment as member or thereafter during such appointment was not or is not a citizen of Pakistan, or D, benefited from the National Reconciliation Ordinance 2007 LX of 2007. Civil servants / government servants may, however, subject to eligibility, apply for these positions through proper channel. Their applications will be dealt with in accordance with terms and conditions incorporated in MP Scales Policy 2020. The persons being employed under MP Scales shall submit to the government an affidavit declaring their non-involvement in any other relevant business / job which may tantamount to conflict of interest. The persons already employed on MP scale positions and are holding the MP scale position on the date of commencement of this policy shall henceforth be governed under the MP scales policy in all matters. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। ये मैं आप लोग यहाँ से बता देती हूँ। एप्लीकेशंस मस्ट बी सबमिटेड ऑन नेशनल जॉब पोर्टल NJP लिंक ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है www.njp.gov.pk ब्रैकेट क्लोज within 15 days from the date of publication of advertisement and received thereafter will not be entertained. Detailed TORs and shortlisting criteria can be seen on Ministry's website https://mocc.gov.pk/ डिटेल्ड TORs एंड शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग क्राइटेरिया, ये मैंने बता दिया ना। CVs ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है हार्ड कॉपी शैल बी फॉरवर्डेड ऑन द एड्रेस गिवन बिलो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग ऑनलाइन। Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. Ministry reserves the right not to fill any of the advertised posts without assigning any reason thereof. No DA will be admissible to the candidates called for test/interview. Title of the post must be written on the top right hand corner of the envelope. All the terms and conditions of service given in the Pakistan Climate Change Act 2017 and Management Position Scales Policy 2020 as amended from time to time will be applicable on the member ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ adaptation of the authority. Applications must be submitted on National Job Portal NJP link www.njp.gov.pk and hard copies of detailed CVs along with NJP application print may be sent to Section Officer AOs LG and RD Complex G for ground -5/2 near State Bank of Pakistan, Islamabad. Phone number 051-924-5891, 051-924-5891 within 15 days from the date of publication of advertisement. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है, ये भी डॉन की है, 22 सितंबर की। जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी पोजीशन मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर। We seek to hire a dynamic and career-oriented professional for the position of managing director for a manufacturing company. Job profile: prepare and implement comprehensive business plans to facilitate achievement and cost-effective operations. Implement forward-looking approach for identification. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। Skills and qualification: proven experience as managing director or other senior managerial position in a leading organization. Demonstrate experience in developing strategic and business plans through knowledge of market changes and forces that influence the business. Strong understanding of corporate finance and measures of performance. Familiarity with corporate regulations and management best practices. Proven organizational and leadership skills. Excellent communication, interpersonal presentation and problem solving abilities. BS/MS in mechanical, industrial or related engineering disciplines, preferably with MBA degree. Experience and other requirements: must have 20 to 25 years post qualification experience of working in an engineering or fabrication organization with at least 8 years at a senior management position. Upper age limit is 55 years. Relaxation of 1 to 2 years can be given based on exceptional qualification, experience and performance. This position comes with a 3 years contract, further renewable on mutual consent. Due to strategic nature of job, only Pakistani nationals are encouraged to apply. Candidates should be open for relocation to any city of Pakistan. Candidates are required to submit resume within 15 days of publication of this advertisement on following address mentioning position ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ applied for on the envelope. Office address: PO Box number 404 GPO इस्लामाबाद, PO Box number 404 GPO इस्लामाबाद। तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।